Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So actually in this device we've got two very similar options to choose from. Of course I will show you both, and let's begin with customization, and after that I will show you much faster access to those features. So first of all, let's enter the settings and tap on display and brightness. And as I said, here we've got the eye comfort and very similar ebook mode. Let me begin with the second one, because all we can do here is to turn it on or off. So let me turn it on by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish at the very first step, and then it turns to only black and white colors. So it is the best situation. This is the best mode to use if you'd like to read something on your tablet. Now in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher. Now let's enter the eye comfort, and as you can see here we can decide if we want to schedule that feature. Just by tapping on the switcher you can choose the start time just by swiping, and the end time, for example, something like this. It's really up to you. As you can see, it is immediately applied, and from now on your device will automatically turn on the eye comfort. Let me turn it off, and if you'd like to always use the eye comfort mode, simply tap on enable all day. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. Of course you can adjust the intensity of that feature just by swiping. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and to the right much warmer. So of course it's up to you how you want to set it. Okay, so actually this is the whole customization of those modes, and now in order to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar. And here we've got the ebook mode and the eye comfort mode, which is right now applied. If you'd like to turn off the eye comfort, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state, and tap on ebook mode in order to make the screen only in black and white colors. Of course, to turn it off, just tap on it again. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.